Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the AdSense account you actually use for payments. Once done, check the payments page to confirm current balance, holds, and the payout threshold. Make sure to export earnings reports and download tax forms now, because you will lose access after cancellation. Next, disable or remove ad code from your sites and apps to stop new impressions and clicks. This prevents unexpected changes to your final payout and avoids policy flags during closure. Once your sites no longer serve ads, go to Payments to confirm your payment method and request any available final payout if eligible. If there are holds or unresolved verification steps, complete them now because AdSense won't process final money until cleared. Also check the Policy Center and fix violations. Policy issues can block closure or final payment, so address those items. Wait for any pending payments to clear, and confirm your balance shows zero or final payout scheduled. Now, open Account Settings and choose Close Account. Read the consequences, then confirm the cancellation. You will get an email confirmation, so monitor that inbox. Make sure you've backed up data because you'll lose access. Final payout timing depends on cleared balances and payment cycles. If cancellation fails due to unpaid balance, verification, or policy holds, contact AdSense Payments or Policy Support with your account ID and screenshots. This is the key troubleshooting step to resolve blocks and receive your final funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.